Welcome to this tutorial on how to get blueprints in Once Human. To start, you need to understand what blueprints are and their importance in the game. Blueprints are essential items that allow you to craft new equipment, upgrade your gear, and unlock new technologies. First, you need to gather resources by completing missions. Killing enemies and scavenging for items. Resources are crucial for crafting and upgrading your equipment. As you progress through the game, you will come across various types of resources, including rare and exotic materials. To get blueprints, you need to access the research menu, which can be done by interacting with the research terminal in your base. The research terminal allows you to research new technologies, craft equipment, and unlock blueprints. Once you have accessed the research menu, you can start researching new technologies and blueprints. You can filter the research options by category, making it easier to find the blueprint you need. Each blueprint requires specific resources and research points to unlock. You can also obtain blueprints by completing specific missions, killing certain enemies, and looting chests. Some blueprints are exclusive to certain missions or events, so make sure to complete them to get the blueprints you need. Additionally, you can purchase blueprints from the in-game store using in-game currency or real money. However, this method is not recommended, as it can be expensive and may not be worth the cost. Best practices for getting blueprints include focusing on one category at a time, completing missions and events, and scavenging for resources. It is also essential to manage your resources and research points wisely, as they are limited. In conclusion, getting blueprints in Once Human requires gathering resources, accessing the research menu, and researching new technologies. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock new equipment, upgrade your gear, and progress through the game. Remember to stay focused, manage your resources, and complete missions and events to get the blueprints you need.